India's data privacy law, what it means for you. Let's start with a simple question. How often do you click I agree without reading the terms? Most of us do it daily on our apps, websites, even while ordering food. But behind that single click lies your personal data, your name, your phone number, location, browsing patterns, and even financial details. India is now entering a new era of data protection with the Digital Personal Data Protection DPDP Act 2023. And whether you're an individual, a startup founder, or part of a large organization, these changes will affect you. In this video, we break down what this means for businesses and individuals alike. Let's start with the foundation. The DPDP Act 2023 marks India's first comprehensive statutory framework for personal data protection. This is not a routine update, it is a fundamental reset in how personal data is handled. The law places consent at the center of everything. So companies referred to as data fiduciaries must now clearly inform users what data is being collected and why. No more vague policies buried in legal jargon. Consent must be explicit, specific, and informed. What changes for individuals? At its core, the law is about giving individuals more control over their personal data. It introduces the concept of consent as the foundation. Users now have clearly defined rights: the right to access their personal data, the right to correct inaccuracies, and the right to request deletion. In simple terms, personal data is no longer something organizations can quietly hold onto indefinitely. However, with these rights comes responsibility. Users are equally expected not to misuse the system through false complaints or impersonation. For businesses, the stakes are significantly higher. Organizations must now implement robust data protection measures, ensure that data is used strictly for its stated purpose, notify authorities and affected users promptly in the event of a data breach. Non-compliance carries serious consequences. Penalties can reach up to Rs 250 crore per violation, making data privacy not just a legal obligation, but a critical business priority. There is also a special focus on children's data. Companies must obtain verifiable parental consent before processing data of users under 18 and are prohibited from tracking or targeting advertisements at children. Another important shift is the introduction of the Data Protection Board of India, which will handle grievances, enforce compliance, and impose penalties. Now let's look at the bigger picture. The DPDP Act positions India alongside global frameworks like GDPR, but with an approach tailored to India's rapidly growing digital economy. The shift is significant from data being treated as an asset companies own to data being treated as something individuals control. So what does this shift demand from your business today? India is reshaping the dynamic between businesses and the individuals they serve. In a landscape of ongoing change, clarity and readiness are critical. Businesses that interpret these shifts early, evaluate their data practices, and build consent-driven systems will be far better positioned. Transparent data practices are no longer just about compliance. They are becoming a distinct competitive advantage. With the right guidance and a structured approach, regulatory change need not be disruptive, it can be transformative. Our team of professionals at Rural India is here to help you move through this transition with clarity and assurance. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead.